Hello, viewers. Before yesterday, in previous section, we was discussed some important topics like up to. I hope you that you understood in previous section. Today we are going to discuss about today we are going to discuss about order list, unorder list. Like shortcut I am giving, don't bother about it. Order list and unorder list. Okay. UL or OL. I'm giving like shortcut. Don't bother about it. In further classes, I will tell you briefly. Okay. Don't bother about it. Okay. What is order list? What is unorder list? That is my question. Okay. Coming to order list and unorder list. Here, order list means nothing but here. I'm telling definition of order list here. Okay, fine. Order. Why should we use order list and unorder list? Unorder list means in wherever you go, if you want to make any type of links in HTML by using HTML, we should use only order list or unorder list according to your request side, like client side. Okay, you should use order list or unorder list. Okay, coming to definition of order list or unorder list. HTML here, I am telling now, the HTML provides set of elements. Which one is providing it here? The HTML provides set of elements. Okay, HTML provides set of elements that are used to present in list type. Okay, that are used to present. Okay, that are used to present list type. Okay, once I am explaining, please note down here. HTML provides set of elements that are used to present in list type in items. Okay, that we call as order list or unorder list. I hope you understood about this order list. Okay, let me take one example for this order list and unorder list. Here, I'm going through my Visual Studio Code. See, just I'm going to take one new file like HTML. Already I told you, when you are going to take HTML, you must be use extension like .html. Okay, I don't want to say again. Okay, here just I will take as a demo.html. Okay, this is the dot class of HTML. Let it leave it. Just I will take demo.html. This is my new extension of HTML. Okay, I hope you understood about this. Okay, now coming to what is order list, unorder list. Now we are going to discuss now. See now, whenever you are going to write, you must use what you should use .html. Then after you have to enter HTML. In that we have head. Okay, between the head what will have title. Okay, fine. After that, okay, sorry, title, title. Okay, fine. Title. In the title, whatever you enter, it will be appear on title bar. Am I right? Okay. Let me take demo. Okay. Here. Now I want to visible my content for any user. Okay. I have to use what? Body. Okay. That's fine. Already in previous section I told you why should we use body. Briefly I told you. I don't want to say once again. Take. Okay, fine. Now I am going to take one room for me. Okay, like container I am taking. In this container I am inserting list. Okay, what I am inserting here. See what I am inserting in order. Okay, order list or unorder list. Note down all points. Why? Because I am giving notes. No, don't waste your time. Okay, order list and unorder list. Okay, here let me go with one example for order list and unorder list. Okay, first of all we have to go with order list. Okay, fine. The shortcut for order list OL. Okay, OL means what? Order list. It have starting tag and ending tag. In this, we are going to insert what? List. Okay. For example, I am taking first list like home. Okay. Then after I'm going with another example like about. Okay. And third one is what? Like blog. BLOG blog. Okay. Okay, fine. This is an example for order list. Then coming to another list. See here, in second to I'm going to insert. Okay, in second to I am going to insert another list. Okay, another list means what? UL. Okay, fine. In that, what we should insert first of all list. No, let me take another. Okay, for example, I am inserting my name as a first one list. Okay, Vamshi. Okay, then coming to second one, I will take another example, another sorry. Okay, okay, fine. Two list is enough for in this another list. Okay, this okay. Now I am going to save. Okay, fine. Again, I am going to my page. Here, what will be appear? My project in CSS. Okay. Okay. See here. Here observe first of all. See here. First one is what? Order list. Okay. Second one is another list. Okay, fine. What is the difference between both of them? See here, when I coming to order list, it will be appear like order wise 1 to 3. Okay, numeric number. Coming to another list, it will be shows it is going to show what some of the symbols like bullet symbol. Okay, circle symbol it will show. Okay, if you want to change that symbol, okay, if you want to change that symbol, you have to use what? Attribute. You will type. Okay, you will type what? Equal to, you will type equal to what? Here I am taking as a okay, for example Roman. Okay, type is circle now. Circle. Okay, see again I am saying, see the symbol is changed or not. See, when you want to change your content like list content, you have to use type attribute. Okay, for example, if you want to change that number reverse in OL means what? The OL list must be present in numeric only. Okay, here OL type OL. Here I am changing reverse. Okay, reverse. For example, the default values will become 1 to 3. Okay, it's fine. If you want to change 3 to 1, means you have to use reverse. Okay, control S. Okay, I am saving. Then after I am going to my page. Here, what will happen? See, 1, 2, 3. This is the main difference between order list and unordered list. I hope you that you understand about order list and unordered list. Okay. Okay, fine. For example, if for example one client will given some of the list for you. Okay, the client should set for you. I want the number must be in starting from 5th. Okay, the client will ask you the number must be start from 5. Okay, here what will happen? Okay, 5. Okay, here. Okay, I'm removing this reverse. See what will happen. See 5, 6, 7. Okay, do you understood? I hope you understood about this order list and unordered list. Okay, now coming to nested order list. Nested means what? Means the elements which are present within the element. The elements, please note down, note down as a nested order list. Please make heading nested order list. Okay. Now coming to definition now. Okay. The elements which are present in which the element is called as a nested order list. Okay. Nested order list. Okay. The elements which are present in within the elements is called as a nested order list. Okay. Okay. We will go through with one example. Okay. For nested order list. Here, just I am removing this content from body section. Okay, just observe what I am doing. Don't bother about it. Okay, I am taking class as a container. Okay, this is my room. Okay, okay, fine. I built one room. Okay, then after I want sub rooms in that. Okay, see here, what will happen? Let me take nested order. No, nested order list. Okay, nested order list. Here, now I'm going to insert nested order list. What I told you for you, here, nested order list is nothing but here. The elements which are present in which the elements, the elements which are present in that element that we call as a nested order list. Okay. Here, let me take one example like OL. Okay, OL means what? The OL must be start from numeric. Okay, like 1 2 3. If you want to change that order of numbers, means you have to use reversed. That is the attribute for OL. Okay, if you want to change that type, means what? You have to, if you want to change the type, means type attribute must be used in order list. Okay. Order list means what? Order list must be present in numeric. Okay. They're coming to another list. The another list must be present in symbols like circle, dotted. That symbols must be present in another list. That is the difference between order list and another list. Okay. I hope you understood. Here, let me go with example of nested order list. Here, what will happen? Let me take inside HTML. Okay. Now coming to second one. Just I am going through with web designing courses like CSS. Okay. Now coming to third list, JavaScript. Okay. Here. Okay, fine. If I want to change the type, OL type, what should I use here? Type pattern must be used. Okay. Like Roman or anything. For here, when I enter type, automatically the types will be presenting. Why? Because the when we are using Visual Studio Code, okay, when we are using Visual Studio Code for editing the HTML content, the Visual Studio Code has predefined extension like HTML extension predefined automatically downloaded itself. Okay, it has own capacity to download some of the extents automatically. That Visual Studio will be must be used for web developer to save time. Okay. Here, okay, fine. Now I am taking OL type is first one. Okay. In this, again I am going to insert another OL. Okay. Why? Because what is our definition? Nested elements is our nested array elements is the list is our definition. Okay. That definition is the elements which are present here. OL is the one type of the element. Okay, fine. In that again I am inserting another OL now. That is the different. Okay, that is the definition of nested order list. Okay. Once I am taking list here. Okay, what should I take? Let us take some of the names like flower, sunflower. Okay. Okay. Now coming to second one, rose flower. Okay. Now coming to third one. Coming to third one, like jasmine. Okay. Okay, fine. Now I am going to change OL type. No, see here. What will happen? We should use type attribute. Okay. In Roman, I am changing in Roman numbers. Okay, Control S. Now I am going to my page. See what will happen. See, first what I taken OL. Okay, fine. What I taken type is in numeric. It's fine. 1, 2, 3 came. Okay. Then coming to another OL type. What will it represent? It presenting Roman. No, that is the difference between when when you want change the type of list, you must be use type pattern. That is the importance. Okay. Okay, I hope you understood about this. Then we are going to discuss. Okay, I hope you understood about this, like order list, unorder list. Then see, let me go with one note. It is very important. Okay, please make it note now. Note one. Okay, this is very important. When you are going to attend any interview, it is very important question they will ask. Okay, here. What I am going to ask you here? Okay, fine. You know order list, unorder list. Fine. In that you already use the reverse. Okay, fine. For example, if you want change, for example, if client have 150 list, 150 types of the list is present in near of the client. Okay, fine. For example, if client want change the 15th list type as like reversed. Okay, the client want 15th list in reverse type. What should you use? Use attribute. You must be use reverse attribute. That is the main syntax for reversing the list. Okay. Okay, note down this. I'm saying one note. HTML5 provides reverse attribute. HTML5 provides reversed attribute for what? OL tag. For what? OL tag. You should not write OL directly. You must be write OL starting tag and ending tag. Then you have to write tag. Okay, that is the main description. Okay, it can be display the list. It can be display the list in reverse order of numbering. Once again, I'm telling HTML5 provides the reverse attribute for OL tag. It can be display the list in reverse order. Okay, it can be display the list in reverse order. That is the definition of note. Okay, then coming to syntax, already I told you, make it that example here. Okay, okay, fine. Now I hope you understood about this OL line and UL. Okay, now coming to text formatting. Text formatting. Okay, text formatting. Once I am explaining, please make it down, make it heading in your notes. Why? Because it is very important. Okay. Once again, I say text formatting in HTML. It is a heading text formatting in HTML. Okay. Here. Once again explaining what is our heading text formatting HTML. Okay. Now we go to with what? Definition. HTML ignores the formats. HTML ignores the formats. HTML ignores the format for the text defined in your editor. In your editor, what we are using like editor now we are using presently Visual Studio Code as the editor. Okay, you have to manually here. Once again, I explain HTML. Okay, nothing but here the HTML will not have some of the formats. Okay, it ignores the formats of the text. Okay, it doesn't depend upon any format of text. It ignores the format of the text in your editor. See now, going to definition. HTML ignores the formats for the text defined in your editor. Please note down. You have to manually change the font. Okay, what is text formatting? If you want to change text size, okay. If you want here, I'm taking with another color here. If you want to change the font text size, must be used font size. Okay, but this is the first one. If you want to change the font family, okay, you have to use font family. Okay, now coming to, if you want to change the any color for according to client request, according to your requirement, you must be use color. Okay, fine, you understood about this. Okay, fine. Here first, you must be once again explaining here, make it note down. You must draw one table. You must draw a table here, like here. Here. Here in left side, the heading must be like attribute. Okay, now coming to right side, description. That is the heading in right side. Okay, fine. First one is page or family, your wish. First one is family. Okay, fine, you have to take family. Okay, first one is family. It defines the, coming to right side, I'm going to tell about description. It defines the font family to be used for text. It defines the font family to be used for text. Once I am explaining a description for family. Okay, it defines the font family to be used for text. To be used for text. That is the description for family. Okay, now coming to example of under the description, like Arial. Okay, and bold. Okay. Again, so many example is there. If you want that family means here, Gill Sans Ultra Bold, these are all called as font family. Okay, if you want to insert these styles in your page, just you copy this code or copy this text and present in your page or in your code. Okay, the text will be changed, the style of the content. Okay, here. Now coming to size, it is the second attribute. Coming to size. Okay, once I am explaining, the second attribute is what? Size. Okay, coming to description, it defines the character size. It defines the character size in 7 levels. It defines the character size in 7 levels, which includes normal equal to 3. Normal equals to 3. Once I can explain description for size. Here, it defines the character size in 7 levels. It defines the character size in 7 levels, which include normal equals to 3. Like here, take example like. Now coming second description, XX large. Okay. XX large. Okay. XX large. Okay. Here, that is the example of description. Now coming to third attribute, like color. Now coming to third attribute, like color. Here. Okay, it defines right side you have to write. It defines the color name to be applied for specific text. It defines the color name to be applied for specific text. For example, we will discuss with some example for this. All is family, size, color. Okay, okay. See here the example. For example, okay, I'm removing this div. Okay, just I am presenting one heading. As I told you, how many types of heading means in HTML there are 6 headings. Okay, now I am presenting first one. Okay, like Vamshi Krishna. This is my heading in content. Okay, fine. Now I want to change font family here. Font family. Okay, equal to area. Okay, this is font family. Okay, now coming to another H1, like sorry. Okay, now I am applying color. Sorry, if you want to insert, you must be insert style, no? Why should we use style mean? It is a inline CS. Already I told you. Sorry guys, in CS, in when you are going to discuss CSS class, we will discuss briefly. Okay, don't bother about it. CSS here. How I am playing, just observe. Font family. Okay. Now I am taking one example, Gilson something. An example. Okay. Don't bother about it. Okay. We'll go with another one is color. Okay. Color. I'm changing blue violet. Second one. Okay. Now third heading. I want to change. Okay. Let me take. You will be confused. No. It's three. Okay. Another one is Balu. Something example. Okay. Style. I am going to change font size. Font size. Okay. Font size 50 pixel. Okay. Control S. Here, what will happen? See, Vamshi Krishna. Okay, this is a one type of the font family. Sorry, I updated that color. Okay, here something text will be increased. Why? Because I used here what font size. Okay, that are the attributes we will use in text formatting. I hope you understood about the text formatting. Okay, now coming to here. Coming to here. Coming to here, please go through with one table. It is very important. Okay. Now I am refreshing, going with the new page. The table is very important. Okay, guys. Please note on this table. Okay. First, you have to take one row. Okay. You have to take one row. Sorry, guys. One row. Okay. In the first column, here, in the first column, you take heading as a element. Okay. Now coming to second column, you take heading as a tag. Okay. Now coming to third one. Okay. Okay. See here. First one was bold. Okay. Let me increase the size. Bold. Okay. Sorry. First one what? Element. No. This is the heading. Okay. We will decrease the font size. It will be fine. Bold. Okay. First one was element. No. We will go with some color. It will be better. First one what? Element. This is the heading. Okay. Now coming to second one. Take heading as a tag. Now coming to third one. Description. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope you make it table here. Now coming to first element. First element is, we'll take another color. Coming to first element, what? Bold. Okay, please make it down. Okay, tag. For bold tag, you take B. This is a bold tag. Okay. Now coming to description here. Here, what I'm telling, please make it down. The bold tag mainly used for publishing the text as a bold. A bold tag mainly used for publishing the text as bold. That is the description for first one. Now coming to strong. Now strong. Okay. strong. Strong. This is the one type of the element. Now coming into tag for this strong. 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 Okay. Strong. Okay. Now coming to second one description. Okay. It is also related to bold, but it reviewing the text. Okay, it is also related to bold, but it reviewing the text, viewing the text. That is the description for second one. Now coming to third element here, italic. Okay, now coming to what? Italic element. Okay, fine. For this tag, what? I is the tag for italic. What is italic? Okay. It mainly change the content as a italic. It mainly change the content publishing like italic. It mainly change the content publishing like italic. It mainly change the content publishing like italic. That is, italic is a one type of the font family. Okay, we will discuss in CSS briefly. Okay, don't bother about it. Okay, presently whatever I am saying, please make it clearly. Why? Because when you are going to attend any interview, you will be easily answer about that question. Okay, don't bother about it. Presently, what you have concentration on that, make it practice. You will be good at knowledge. Okay, now coming to empathize. Coming to the next element, empathized. 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 Okay, this is the element. Now coming to for this tag, what? EM means what? Empathize. This is the element for our tag for this empathized. Okay, now coming to description for empathized. Okay, same here. It marks the text. It marks the text. Once I am explaining, it marks the text as a italic in reviewing. As a italic in reviewing. Once I am explaining, it marks the text. Okay, it marks the text as a italic in reviewing. As a italic in reviewing. Okay, that is the element of empathizing. Now coming to next element that we call as the underline. I don't want to write all points, just whatever I'm saying, please make it note down fast. Now another element, what? Underline. That is the element. Okay, now coming to tag. Here, underline tag like this. Okay, underline tag this. Okay, now coming to description. Okay, this, it is mainly used for highlighted the text. It mainly used for highlighted the text. Once I am explaining, please make it clearly. Okay, it mainly used for highlighted the text, that we call as the definition of underline. Okay, now coming to inserted. Okay, that is a element, another element. Now coming to inserted element. Now coming to tag for insert. Okay, INS is the short form of inserted. Okay, here it is a tag for inserted. Now coming to description, it marks the Underline in review. It marks the underline in review. We will go through with all this example related one. Don't bother about it. First, whatever I'm saying, make it note clearly. Now coming to strikeout. Coming to strikeout. Okay, it is the last, not but not least. Coming to strikeout. Strikeout. Okay. Now coming to for this tag, what? Strike. Strike. Okay. This is the tag for tag. Okay. Coming to description. Strikeout. Please make it clear now. Strikeout mainly used for marked from deletion. Marked from deletion. Strikeout the text which is marked from deletion. Strikeout. Once I explain the strikeout which is marked for deletion. The strikeout mainly used for which is marked for deletion. That is the description for strikeout. Now coming to another element, deleted. Now coming to another element, deleted. Now coming to another element, deleted. To another element, deleted. See here. Now coming for this deleted element, the tag is what? Del. Okay. This is the tag for deleted. Okay. Now coming to description side, strikeouts in review. And for description for deleted, see here, deleted, strikeouts in review. That is the description for deleted. Okay. Now coming to another element. Coming to another element, see here. Superscript. You must be taken left side element. What we have to take? Superscript. Make it right. Make it right first. Superscript. Superscript. Now coming to tag for superscript. SUP. Not super movie. It is a tag for that. Okay. So means what? Superscript. Here. Now coming to description. It changed the character position. It changed the character position. Raised from baseline. Raised from baseline. Guys, don't bother about this. Okay. We will discuss with one example also. Okay. Within few minutes, we will go through with one example. Don't bother about it. See what I am saying here. Please make it. It changed the character position raised from baseline. It is the description for superscript. Now coming to another element. Subscript. See here, subscript. It is the last element in this box. Okay. Coming to subscript. Okay. Now coming to second column. What? The tag SUB means what? Subscript. Okay. See. It is also related, but it raised from lowered position. Okay, that is the difference. See here. Now go through with the description. It changed the character position. Lowered from baseline. Lowered from baseline. Once I am explaining, please make it clearly now. It changed the character position. Lowered from baseline. That is the description for subscript. Okay. Okay, fine. We will go through with one example. All of this. First one what? Bold, no? Here we will take one text like okay, fine. I will take paragraph. Vamshi Krishna. Sorry. Okay. Bye. Okay. So here it is a one text. Okay, we will make it as a bold. No, just we have to use what? Bold tag. Between this bold tag, you have to insert text. Whatever you want to make it decoration by using the bold, you have to insert the text between the bold. Between the two tags. Okay. Now I'm cutting. Just now I'm pasting. Now here what will happen? Okay. This is the bold. Okay, first one example was bold. Okay, now coming to second example, same paragraph I am copying, but tag will be changed. See here, just our tag what strang, no strang. Between the strang, how to insert paragraph. Okay, insert. Okay, now coming to italic. Okay, italic means what? I know. In this I am pasting paragraph. Now coming to another, just we will take as a break. Okay, okay, break is nothing but it is a empty element. For example, when you are going to insert any content, the content will be flow same line only. If you want to exit the content according to your requirement, you must be use break. Okay, we will go through with one example. Okay, after completion of this coding, I will be we will show I will show what content will be replay for you. Now we will go through with what? Empathize and no. What is that tag? EM means what? Empathize and no. Between this I am pasting paragraph. Okay. Now coming to underline means what? You will know. You will tag no for underline. Just will take break. Then after to L. In that I am taking paragraph. Okay. But again I am taking break. I want to break it the content. Next one is what? Inserted no. Inserted means what? I. Or not I. INS no. INS is the tag for insert. See? Again I am taking break. Why should I take break? Means I have to break the content. Okay. Now I am going through with strike. Not Telangana strike, not BJP strike. It is the one type of the tag in Steam. Presently, it is not working in HTML. Why? Because it is a old version tag. That's why it is not working. Okay. Now we will go through with delete it. Okay. Break. Del is the tag for what? Delete it. In that I am pasting something content. Okay. Again I am taking break. Here. Superscript. Okay. Here. See, between this, I am inserting one content by using superscript. Okay. Sorry is a bad by no. Just I am cutting, pasting here. Control S. Okay. Then coming to last one, what? Subscript. Okay. SUB means what sub? Okay. Let me take my goal is what? This. Don't think any other, please. Just I am mentioning about my goal. Here, Vamshi. Okay, what will happen here? Okay, now we will go through with our page. Here, Vamshi Krishnachari is a bad boy. Okay, it will be looking like what something bold now. Now coming to strong. Okay, little bit be same. Why? Because the strong and bold reviewing as a bold now. Now coming to Vamshi Krishnachari is a bad boy. It is like also italic or empathize. Both are same. Okay. Now coming to what? underline. See here, underline is there not? Vamsi Krishnachari is a birthday. See, that is called as an underline. Now coming to strikeout, it is also related to deleted only. See, the line will be flow on text. Okay, that we call as a deleted or strikeout. Now coming to subscript or superscript. Here, when I use subscript, okay, when I use superscript, it raised from baseline. Here, what is raised from baseline? It raised the position of character is changed. Now coming to superscript, see the position of character is changed from lower baseline. That is the difference between subscript and superscript. These two are very very important when you are going to insert any formulas in chemistry. These two are very very important, subscript and superscript. I hope you understood about this. Now we will go through with last topic today section. Tomorrow in guys, one thing I am saying presently, only HTML is a free of course. But coming to here, in future classes I will tell you guys what I am going to teach for you here. Okay. First, HTML. Okay. It is a free of course for all people. But coming to CSS and another one JavaScript and jQuery and Bootstrap. Then after Ajax. Okay, we should learn one Angular framework. No, Angular. Now coming to JSON. Okay, and Photoshop. Okay, see here, one thing I'm saying, guys, this course is free of cost. I'm uploading in YouTube. Okay, there is no fee for this. But coming to remaining courses like CSS to Photoshop, every course is paymentable one. Okay, just I'm taking charge like 500. Okay, only 500 guys I'm taking for each course. Okay, only 500 rupees for each course. Okay, guys, I'm saying every course CSS 500, coming to JavaScript 500. All this, each course separately I will teach you. There is no total payment at a time. One after another one I will take class. Okay, nearly guys, in institution, every institution they will take nearly 10,000 or 15,000, but there is no provide notes. Why? Because they don't teach in practical section about coding. Okay, they will teach you how to code, that's it. Presently, due to corona issues, all classes will be going on online only. Okay, you are not understand what they are saying. Okay, that's why with 500 is not a big amount for you. Okay, if you want to register about these courses, okay, you must be join, you must be contact by using my mobile number. Okay, I will give my mobile number. Please contact through WhatsApp. See my number 9492384592. Always I will be available for you guys. 500 is not a big task for every course. If you want to learn any course in online means, minimum charges will be present for every course like 1000, 1500. Only for one course they will take 500, 1500. Even though you can't understood what they are saying. Why? Because they couldn't provide any notes for this. I'm providing notes with, finally we will go through with one designing template. Okay. Every here every day I will give tasks with content via notes. Okay. If you anyone interest, please do me WhatsApp. We will discuss in future classes. I will see in online. Okay, guys. This is our today section. And within 2 days, we will complete total our HTML content. If you have any query, please go through with my WhatsApp number. Okay, guys. I hope you are well being at home. Don't go outside. When you are going to outside, please wear mask. Why? Because don't keep your life in risk. Okay, guys. Have a good day. Thank you. Okay, guys. Thank you.